for the common people, and I mean, being proud, he built the first indigenous car for India in Indica, and now he's done the distance and brought Nano to India. That's a brilliant shot over point, going all the way for 6. That's a massive hit.
And that's the first 6 of the game, Sanjay, so far, and came off an actually very unexpected quarter. A ball pitch shot went under it and actually smashed it. The square cut over point is a shot even Virendra Sehwag will be very proud of.
V for Virendra Sehwag and V for Vishnu. So Vishnu does a last Sehwag here and goes over point. An amazing cricket shot that, fetching him the maximum runs.
Another one, 2 in a row. Both the times ball was pitched halfway down the track and batsman showed no mercy, just went back onto his back foot and smashed it over mid-wicket this time.
Well, is this the over that Chennai Rhinos have been waiting for? The momentum shifting here. Another poor delivery, Vishnu taking full toll of that and pulling it over mid-wicket for maximum. This could well be the decisive over, wherein Chennai Rhinos can put this match beyond Telugu Warriors' reach.
A better delivery and fetches a better result as well. Only a single down the third man. And I think they're going to learn their lessons, Sanjay. It's their first competitive game in a pressure cooker situation. They really don't know how to react. And let's not forget that they do act, but cricket is not their forte. And so far they've been not doing a bad job. In fact, they're doing a fair job.
Yeah, well directed delivery. Oh, a sliding stop there. Good to see. The coach Venka Pratap would definitely happy with that effort. Siddharth not really happy with that, but needs to show better understanding. The Rang De Basant, the hero.
And they ran well as well. They stole another one, got that opportunity, then let go waste.
It's been a good pullback, so to say, from Siddharth. After being hammered for 2 sixes, he's managed to keep control of his nerves and